Okay, I fixed it. I fixed it. I just had to reset the question for the next question. Makes sense. So let's try this out. Codex. Cancel. Okay.
All right. Let me know if you have any programming related questions in the future.
You can set a language just because it has a hard time. Browser speech recognition can't decide if you've said C or C sharp. It's just too much. So you just set the language and then you move on. Uh, Codex. How do you write a for loop?
I'm working on the task you requested. Just a moment. I'm still working on completing your request. Thank you for your patience. In C Sharp, you can write a for loop using the following syntax. Here's a breakdown of the components. Initialization. This is
And I should be waiting for a wake word, which is correct. Codex. How do you write a for each loop?
Please wait a moment while I fetch your
Nice.
information. Sure, in C Sharp, you can use a for each loop to iterate over collections.
Very good.
Here's the syntax.
Just going to stop that. And let's just change up this. Gotta fix that still. Oh, come on. Let me change the scripting language. The hell? Oh, I hate it. There we go. Let's see what happens when we switch it to JavaScript. I gotta fix that. Make that select box z index like 99. Codex. How do you write an asynchronous method?
I'm working
What?
on the task you requested. Just a moment. Your request is being processed. Please wait a moment.
There it is.
In JavaScript, you can define an asynchronous method using the async and await keywords.
Yeah.
Here is an example. The fetch data function is defined as a.
Well, that works much better. Wonder what else it can do. Codex. Tell a story about a guy named Ben who programs computers.
Just a second. I'm getting that for you. Hold on, I'm working on it.
It does.
Once upon a time, there was a guy named Ben who loved programming computers.
Very good.
He spent most of his days tinkering with code, and he always had a new project in the works.
Tinkering with code. A guy named Ben. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good.